AI tools to automate social media posting is one of the most powerful strategies to boost your online presence, and it's a game changer for both individuals and businesses. Not only does it save you an enormous amount of time, but it also helps to increase engagement and ensure consistency across all your social media platforms. Managing social media effectively can be a daunting task, and it's common to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of platforms, the constant need for fresh content, and the pressure to respond to comments and messages in a timely manner. Many individuals and businesses struggle to keep up with the demands of social media, often sacrificing precious time that could be better spent on other activities. Without a clear strategy, social media management can quickly become a full-time job, leaving you feeling drained and defeated. Another major challenge is the difficulty in creating content that resonates with your audience, and consistently producing high-quality posts that drive engagement is no easy feat. Also, tracking performance metrics and adjusting your strategy accordingly can be a complex and time-consuming process, especially for those without a strong analytics background. Fortunately, there are affordable AI tools available that can simplify the process of social media posting, taking away the stress and complexity of managing your online presence. Here are 3 budget-friendly AI-powered tools that can help you automate social media posting. Posta Plan. Posta Plan is a cost-effective AI-driven tool that helps automate your social media posts. It offers features like automatic scheduling and content suggestions, making it easy to maintain a consistent online presence. SocialBee. SocialBee provides affordable plans for social media automation. It allows you to schedule posts, recycle evergreen content, and analyze engagement metrics, helping you optimize your social media strategy. Publer is a budget-friendly tool that lets you schedule and manage your social media posts efficiently. It includes features like bulk scheduling, post previews, and analytics to track your performance. One of the most impressive features of AI-powered social media tools is their ability to generate high-quality content on the fly. Using natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, these tools can create engaging posts that resonate with your audience, saving you hours of brainstorming and content creation. For example, some AI tools can generate captions based on your brand's tone and style, ensuring that every post is consistent with your overall brand identity. Others can even create visually stunning graphics and videos, complete with captions and hashtags, giving your social media post a professional and eye-catching look. Let me tell you about Sarah, a small business owner who struggled to manage her social media presence effectively. She was spending hours every week creating content, scheduling posts, and tracking performance metrics, but she was still struggling to see any real results. That was until she discovered AI-powered social media tools that completely transformed her online presence. With the tool, Sarah was able to automate her social media posting, freeing up hours of time to focus on her business. She saw a significant increase in engagement, her followers grew by the hundreds, and her sales skyrocketed. Sarah's success story is just one example of the incredible power of AI-powered social media automation. By automating the process of social media posting, individuals and businesses can save time, increase reach, and drive engagement. The benefits are undeniable, and the results speak for themselves. So, don't be afraid to take the leap and start automating your social media with AI-powered posting. Share your experiences with social media automation in the comments below, and let us know what tools you're using to automate your online presence. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest AI-powered business tips.